natural health for beginners.
Transform your skincare routine with luxurious, homemade Shea Body Butter. This step-by-step tutorial provides an easy recipe with exact quantities, ensuring you create a rich, creamy moisturizer perfect for softening and nourishing your skin. Key ingredients: Shea Butter, 1 cup, base ingredient, deeply moisturizing and rich in vitamins A and E. Coconut oil, half a cup, adds hydration and antibacterial properties. Sweet almond oil, 1/4 cup, lightweight and absorbs quickly. Essential oil, 10 to 15 drops, optional, for a personalized fragrance. Lavender, peppermint, or citrus work well. Instructions: melt the butters and oils. In a double boiler, melt the shea butter and coconut oil until fully liquefied. Stir gently to combine. Mix in liquid oils, remove from heat and add sweet almond oil. Stir thoroughly to ensure even consistency. Cool and whip. Let the mixture cool until it begins to solidify. You can use the refrigerator to speed up this process. Once semi-solid, whip with a hand mixer until fluffy. Add essential oils. Add your favorite essential oils and whip again to blend. Store in a jar. Transfer the whipped body butter to a clean, airtight jar. Keep it in a cool, dry place. Benefits of Shea Body Butter: intensely hydrates and soothes dry skin. Improves skin elasticity and promotes a youthful glow. Provides a natural barrier against harsh environmental elements. Conclusion: with just a few natural ingredients, you can create your own Shea Body Butter tailored to your skin's needs. It's easy, affordable, and free from harsh chemicals. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more DIY skincare recipes.